Good morning, class 2. So today we're gonna finish our remaining exercises which was left in the previous class. Okay, so let's connect from page number 45. The word deer contains EE, okay, whereas the word giraffe contains FF. Now write at least 4 more words with EE and FF letters. So we have to find out with words with 2 letters which is repeated with EE and FF. So the words with EE will be tree, free, green, and peel. Okay, and words with FF I have written here: off, effort, staff, and toffee. Next question. So the next question is, let's apply. What would happen to the forest if there were no jackals and vultures? There is also a hint given also. Uh, how would dead animals get removed from the forest? So your answer will be, dead animals will be lying for days on the ground, okay, if there were no animals like jackals and vultures that eat their dead bodies. Now let's begin with the let's analyze and evaluate questions. So in which of these places you will find this bird? So as you can see in your textbook, there is a picture of a vulture. Okay, so where do you find this kind of bird? There are 4 options. Okay, in water, under the ground, in a forest, or none of this. So as we all know that it lives in the forest. Okay, so we in the forest. So correct, the option will be in a forest. And then question 2, how does this animal help to keep the earth clean? So what you have to write is, these animals fed on dead animals. Okay, these animals fed on dead animals. Moving on, so let's begin with the worksheet 2. Name the animal. Okay, as you can see in the picture, okay, it is a picture of a sheep, so you have to name it sheep. And then, is it a pet or a domestic animal? Obviously it is a domestic animal. Okay, then what kind of food does it eat? So we have 4 options here: plant, flesh of animals, dead animals, or all of this. So they eat only plant. So option A is the correct option. Then question 4, name 2 things that we get from these animals. So we get wool and leather. So wool is the hair part, okay, which is grown, which is which we take from the sheep, and the leather is the skin part, which we use it further to make uh, leather. It may be leather belt also, it may be leather jacket. Okay, after this, which of these would which of these do we make from wool? So option A, sari and scarf. Option B, honey and candles. Option C, sweater and mufflers. And option D, all of this. So option C, sweaters and mufflers are the correct answer. So let's begin with the let's create question. Collect pictures of any 10 animals and find out the kind of food each of them eats and write the names of those animals. So you have to collect any 10 pictures of an animal, okay, and then you have to write you have to write their names along with the food they eat. Okay, and then question 2, from the internet, collect the pictures of postal stamp based on the animal. Now choose an animal to create your own stamp by drawing the animal and its food on the stamp. Okay, so these two are your home assignments. Okay, the question 2 is very simple. You have to just go through the internet and collect some of the postal stamp pictures, and then you have to uh, create your own stamp by using those internet collected pictures. Create your own stamp, choose your own animal, okay, and its food also has to be on the stamp. So before you draw that stamp, you just take an example from the internet. You can see how the stamps are made, okay, and then you can proceed. So these two are your home assignments. Moving on, so let's do some puzzle words, okay, crossword puzzles. So complete the crossword puzzle. So as you can see, I have made this kind of table here, okay. You have to draw as it is, so, and write these letters S, L, E, V, T, G, F, T, all these letters inside this, and then you have to number those alphabets accordingly. So question is, okay, number 1, there is a actually it is categorized into cross and down. So if I am looking at the cross question, we are looking at this one cross, and this one is down, okay. So in the cross question here, I'm a big cat with stripes. So number 3, we have to go to number 3 and we have to fill this blanks. So what it will be, I'm a big cat with stripes, you have to write it down. Also question 4, I'm a big animal with a trunk. So in cross question, okay, I'm a big animal with a trunk, you have to fill this blank boxes, empty boxes, okay, then with the names, with the alphabets, okay, what it will be by taking the hints. And then question 6 from cross question, I can move very fast though I do not have legs. So this one here is a cross question, you have to fill which animal this one is, okay, in question 6. And then in the down question means, in the down question, this one here, number 1, okay, I'm a big bird that eats flesh of dead animals. So you have to figure out which one this one is, okay, name of that animal, okay, oh sorry, name of that bird in the this one, fill in this one. Understood? And the down question, the another down question is number 2, I am an animal with very long neck. So you have to figure out which animal that is. And then number 5, I am known as a king of the jungle. So you have to figure out which animal that is in question 5, in the down question, not in the cross question, but is a down question. So that's all for now. We're gonna start our new chapter in the next class. Thank you.